Hi everyone, so this is going to be a really quick video on the difference between prime and composite numbers. So prime and composite numbers are just a classification for numbers, and it depends on the number of factors that a number has, whether they are prime or composite. Every number is prime or composite with the exception of 1, and we'll get to why that is in a moment. So a prime number is a positive integer which has exactly two distinct factors. So exactly two factors, and those factors are 1 and itself. So if you think of a number like 3, for example, and you wanted to list the factors of 1 and 3, you would start, or list the factors of 3, you would start with 1 and 3, and then you would try 2 and realize 2 doesn't work, and then that's it. So if your factor list for a number has exactly two numbers only, 1 in itself, that is considered a prime number. Once you get to a situation where you have any number of factors more than 2, then that is a composite number. So for example, if I pick the number 4 and I list out the factors 1 and 4, 2 times itself, so we won't list that twice. So the factors of 4 would be 1, 2, and 4. So that gives me 3 factors. So 3 is more than 2, therefore 4 is a composite number. So when you are looking to differentiate or figure out if a number is prime or composite, once you get a single factor more than 2, then you know it's composite. I don't have to list all of the factors of, say, a number like 64, which has many factors. I don't have to list all of them to determine if it's a composite number. I just need to know that there's more than 2. So once I see that I would try 1 and 64, and then I see it's an odd, or an even number rather, so I'm going to have 2 and something, in this case 32. Once I get that second row of factors, that's it. Game over. It is a composite number. I don't need to list them all out to determine if it is composite. It is. So 1 is special because 1 has just a single factor, right? If I list the factors of 1, I get 1 and 1. So 1 only has one factor. Therefore, it is neither prime nor composite. It is its own special kind of number, either prime or composite. So that can trip some people up because people want to say that it's a prime number because it has factors of 1 and itself, except that it's still only one factor, a single factor. It's not 2 factors, which you need in order to be considered prime. Okay, and that's it for prime and composite numbers.